My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Multi-choice don collect better woto from PHyna and other BBTitan housemates over their unpaid debt to the housemate. And also Cross don come out come bragado to say he go still come back for the season 9. So Cross come out for a live video wey be say dey talking, dey appreciate Big Brother, say Big Brother give am the second opportunity, all those type of things, to come back for the show. He say he come make one statement wey be say people see am as offensive. He say if he come back for the Big Brother season 9, say he go still reach finals. So people come dey tell am say, guy, you and I know to say you no get fan base. Even after you buy your final spot for the Big Brother Naija All-Star season, na still 4% fan base now you take carry come out of the house. So what's the point of you bragging? Now listen to wetin he talk for yourself.
Your partner, what now? Just go. And you never know, you get lucky. I think they're switching it up this year in Big Brother, so I wish them the best. I'm not involved. I don't know anything. I'm lucky enough to have gone there twice. Not everybody does that. And not just going there twice, coming out finalists twice. And it'll be your mate, so that's it. If I ever go the third time, best believe I'm gonna make it to the finals. Best believe that. Best believe that. And you mate.
I don't hear wetin you talk. Now the thing when they even pay me now the fact say ex-housemate can audition again. Like, I don't understand this useless Big Brother these days. When I just they bring people wey be say don't come before to come they give up. Now wetin one they watch? Why waste people's money like that? This Cross self, the guy, I dey always tire Cross the talk. Even for a diary section, always sound this one intelligent, the thing tire person. People they brag with their achievements so far. Miracle don't become pilot. Adekunle don graduate film school. Wetin they call that other one? Messi don open a fashion this. A lot of people they brag about their achievements. Wetin Cross come out come they brag with. Say if he go to Big Brother again, say he go come out as a final. This life now, wow. Cross need to enter inside house because he has nothing to offer to the general public. Honestly, when it comes to entertainment, that boy was zero, always frowning face up and complaining. So onto PHyna matter. PHyna and some BBTitan housemates, they talk of the likes of Jenny O, Justin when they even talk, all of a sudden he has an opinion. What be her name? Yvonne and Nana. They drag the organizers of the show, BBnaija show, over the cheating where they cheat them and how they take deceive the general public. So PHyna and first come out, come make the revelation where we say shock everybody. Now remember, say that time when White Money win the show, in come out, come mention this, it say go sue Multi-Choice for certain things where we say they do about the money and all of that. Say they never pay and people come out, they insult the boy, say no waiting they talk. Most of the time when this housemate come out to come tell us waiting they really sup where we don't know, instead of us to listen to waiting they talk, now we will come the drag instead of dragging the people where really wrong them. So PHyna come out, come say new show, come pull laughing emoji. Winner of season 7 not see all her prizes and money. Well, let me mind my business before them go talk say I don't go bite their hand. It is well. The price is what they talk about. Now not to say the price where PHyna supposed win that time. Now 100 million, as in 50 million naira cash prize and 50 million naira waiting items where they worth of 50 million naira, as in gifts now, all those things. So now she thought said she not get all those prizes. She not get those things where we say they promise her. And the money, all the sponsored ad, all those things, they still they owe them, they not pay anything. Now be waiting she they try to talk so. So as she make that statement, now so BBTitans, do you know BBTitan people say they don't even they complain since Jenny don't first talk and before, even Kosi talk for during her time, say they never pay her, but nobody won't listen. So Jenny come out, she call okay now Justin I first talk, come say imagine sponsoring new shows when you still owe people money. Scammers we stay scamming. So now Jenny come quote it, come put laughing my own out. Man, contract is over. Let everybody speak. You know, say from what I hear say all these Big Brother Naija housemates, they say all of them they get different contracts. Now waiting with the hear for streets allegedly. Say they give all of them different contract. The contract where you sign, they different from the way this other person sign. They different for the one where another person sign. Not be the same contract. All of them they sign. So as two of them come make that statement finish, now so Nana come out to come talk her own. Nana say she go start to dey call people name because it has already started getting out of hand. Nana come say I'm gonna mention some brand names by tomorrow because they need to pay up. How about 1 year after show and you guys haven't paid? Is it fair? The truth be say if it be say those sponsored ads wey be say they do all those advertisements, they never still pay these people since after all this while. And I mean to say, that show they don't lose their credibility, because you can't be carrying criminals to come and be advertising for us on television. So wetin be her name, Yvonne, come out, come that one not even dey fear anybody. That one start to call names immediately, start to drop name. So make I read wetin she talk. One come say, oh boy, all I know is only Pepsi, Aquafina and Bamboo are the only brands that paid. If una remember their brand, they plenty. I go even go check am later, which means all of those ones not pay. Now only this Pepsi na Aquafina, na Pepsi na get Aquafina na. So that means na only two brand for all those plenty sponsors where they get for people that, and only two people now pay, now fulfill the promise of the price where they supposed give housemates. If una remember that time for all those ones where come and say they be real estate people, where people that they announce up and down for inside the television that time. Shey na dem now with the hear say they scam people, you go buy land finish, they no go give you your land for Lagos here. Shey na wetin dem dey do now. Patricia, that one they call Patricia, that one that she they just say allegedly that one carry people money run. But na Big Brother Naija come advertise am for television where people go dey patronize her. So they need to dey check the sponsors wey be say just because they find sponsor don't mean they'll carry criminals put for us for television. It not make any sense to me. BBN fans they will need to start to dey call out multi-choice and the rest of them. Make they sit up. You not go fit dey deceive people like that. All that plenty voting, millions of naira where people vote, you carry all the pocket time, you keep quiet. Whereas the winners, you never pay their complete money. Everybody they come and they cry. Everybody they, won't start new show now. Now go still owe the next ones where they come. We see some reactions from fans. The first person here say everything is different with PHyna. Only you among 7 winners in the whole of the BBN show. Them never pay. Something they do this girl. Madam, rest. This one, e good that she even call our attention to it, because multi-choice is making a lot of money. I not see a reason why we say they go to owe anybody they dime. I not see any reason. If you know your sponsors are not trustworthy, don't bring them to the TV for us to look at. Not trying. Those people, those housemen, now they notice say if they miss tax, people they punish them. If they miss tax, they punish them. Then you can't punish them finish for tax. You know, come when they win, you know, can't give them their money. No, I not go support that type of evil. So that person say that was a prize she rightfully won. They should pay up. As a winner, she brought in at least 30% of the whole show revenue. Thank you. This is her right, and I applaud her boldness for calling them out. Yes, I did PHyna not come and come call her out. Others for just did they live fake life. They hide. They do that when they do for them. So the last person, because I heard White Money said he would sue them instead of people to bash BBN for deceiving them and using these people. Una still they insult the victims. Foolish people. BBN fans, before they go get sense, it's gonna be a long ride. Most of the BBN fans not all, because I see some reasonable ones. They say if Big Brother they owe people money, they better pay up, and they should stop bringing what they call them brand where we say all those sponsors where we say they questionable, where we say you can't trust to come they do advertisement for us for television. It not make sense like that. Una take care, una bye.